Ever notice how the most mysterious places on Earth are often highways for regular people? The Bermuda Triangle is one of them. A slice of the Atlantic between Miami, Bermuda, Puerto Rico that's said to swallow ships and planes without a trace. Let's pull the myth apart, piece by piece, and see what's actually going on. First, the hook everyone remembers. Flight 19, 5 Navy bombers vanish in 1945, then a rescue plane disappears too. It sounds like the ocean reached up and turned off the lights. Add in stories of ghost ships, weird compasses, sudden squalls, and the legend writes itself. But legends are like puzzles where some pieces are from a different box. Here's the myth. There's something uniquely dangerous or supernatural about this triangle. Strange magnetic fields, methane bubbles bursting from the seafloor, rogue waves that appear out of nowhere, and a cover-up, or at least a shrug, from official records. Now let's bust it, cleanly, calmly, with data. 1. Traffic. This region is one of the busiest shipping and flight corridors on the planet. More vessels, more incidents. No magic required. Insurance records like those from Lloyd's of London don't flag the triangle as unusually hazardous. Accident rates match comparable high-traffic waters. 2. Weather. The triangle sits where tropical systems are born. Rapid storms, microbursts, waterspouts, hurricane leftovers. A small plane can fly into clear skies and, minutes later, be in a wall of rain with near-zero visibility. Add the Gulf Stream, a fast-moving ocean river that can scatter debris quickly. Wreckage can be hard to find. Vanished without a trace often means spread out faster than searchers could track. 3. Navigation. Compasses act weird? Kind of. There are spots on Earth where true north and magnetic north line up, and others where they differ. In the mid-20th century, pilots relied heavily on manual navigation. Minor instrument issues, misread headings, and radio confusion could compound, especially at night, over water, with no visual horizon. Flight 19's leader reported faulty instruments, got disoriented, and likely flew out to sea. 4. Methane bubbles. It's a compelling idea. Gas erupts from the seafloor, reduces water density, ships lose buoyancy, down they go. But the strong, consistent evidence for large-scale methane blowouts here is thin, and modern ships are not disappearing in clusters that match such events. It's a hypothesis, searching for events that aren't showing up in the data. 5. Story selection. The triangle's mystique grew in books and magazines that leaned into anomaly. Incidents with mundane explanations got mysterious framing. Some details were misreported, or left out entirely. When researchers revisited original logs and weather reports, many unsolved cases suddenly looked solved. So, is the Bermuda Triangle dangerous? The ocean is dangerous everywhere. Here it's busy, it's stormy, and it's dynamic. That's enough to create tragedies without invoking the paranormal. The real lesson is less fear the triangle and more respect the environment, the limits of instruments, and the power of chance. I love a good mystery, but the best ones are the kind you can test, measure, and understand. And that's where this legend starts to dissolve. If you found this breakdown helpful, tap like so more people see it, and subscribe for more myth-busting deep dives you can share at dinner. I've got a wild one lined up next. See you there.